So what I'll do is press slash in order to take this cube into local mode, and we'll just scale it out and press Control A and visual geometry to mesh, and we'll look at it from the side and just switch over to N-Gon and maybe hold Alt and roll the wheel in order to roll it to an N-Gon shape. And we're just going to cut a few shapes in this thing. Just draw them in there, cut it, use HardOps mirror to just mirror it to the other side, because I just love using HardOps to mirror things. And we're just performing more cuts. And I just wanted to announce that in this update, there has been some improvements with LocalMode and BoxCutter, as you can see, where I'm able to get farther with cutting than usual. Previously, there would be some sort of strange raycast issues that would come up. But due to a recent overhaul of our raycast system, there's been dramatic improvements in that regard towards its ability to perform in local mode. So while this is also the most performant and rapid and easy to use box cutter ever, it also has the capabilities of working inside of local mode for longer. Of course, with local mode, it is a little bit of a beast unto itself, so we can't completely confirm 100% compatibility until the cows come home on that one. But it is important to just let it be known that we are taking steps in these regards. So while these reports come in that people complain about certain issues get added to a list, it is a list that we definitely aim on cutting things down on one by one in order to get a product that is both safe to use and very predictable, as is Blender itself. So just like you're seeing here, I'm just inside of local mode, just working and just having fun, just having a party and just making some shapes, you know. No stress, no problem, not having to jump in and out of local mode, and we just come out of local mode, and you know, the camera and the light that were there are going to look at this shape and be like, oh my god, who are you? Where'd you come from? It's like, oh man, don't go in local mode. It's like a hyperbolic time chamber with that guy once you start just cutting on some shapes here. So I know I'm just kind of jumping into the deep end with just using BoxCutter on the fly, but this particular segment is just to talk about how local mode has been improved, and now you're able to use it hopefully to your heart's content with less issues. However, it is something in this field I've learned that anytime I try to brag preemptively about something, there's always someone out there who's like, well, actually, and is quite willing to make a fool of me. So it's always important to just let it be known that it may be better, and y'all can be the ones to tell me if it truly is.